Hey guys, Jason from Enswell Auto Sales here with our 1969 Corvette Stingray 427 4-speed car. Really a great example here of a super rare and hard to find 427 car. I really like this thing just as it is right now. I mean, you've got a few paint imperfections here and there, chips and scrapes from the years. I'm going to point those out so you can see those. On the hood there, you can see a few on the headlight buckets as well. I'm going to go around the side here. But very presentable. I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to take this to any car show, any Cars and Coffee, and have a great time with it. Interior, as you can see from the photos, shows really well. A couple little imperfections here and there, but overall, really good shape. Got some photos with the top off. Got some storms rolling in here, so we're trying to get this back inside before the rain starts coming down here. Ready to go. You really need nothing on this thing to drive anywhere. We do have a soft top frame for it. The gentleman that owned this and loved it for many years just had the top off, and in his garage, a little bit of scrapes there. I want to make sure you saw the ones on the wheel arch over here on this side as well. I'm going to have Austin fire this thing up and drive her back into the shop, and if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, give us a call and make this one yours today.